Hey, I'm Rich. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please hit like and subscribe. Today, we're going to be giving the X5 a kidney transplant.
And sit down.
I guess that's what happens when you buy aftermarket parts, isn't it? It's just not fitting properly. I don't know why. It seems to be a bit tight. So there's a couple of tabs here. These just seem to be ever so can't move my finger, ever so slightly long. So I don't know. I might get the trim on them. It just doesn't. I don't know whether that's broken. That looks like that's been off before and that's been broken already. That one looks like it's normal, but these just don't have that same, I don't know. Pain in the backside. We'll keep trying. Rust. Man, that was hard work. Maybe I should have bought some official ones instead. But it seems to be okay. Bit of tidying up to do. So, can't really see, can you? These tabs needed a bit of adjustment. They're still not perfect, but the grille's not going to go anywhere. So, I think if that's everything out of the way. Job done. Need to give it a damn good clean now. So, fortunately, wiper blades are crazy easy to change on these things. Literally just slide off the pin, get the new one, slide on the pin, and you're done. Hey guys, so that took a lot more effort than I thought it was going to take. The grills, although they look lovely, they're not OEM, they're from eBay, and the fitment is not quite what you expect. So there's a bit of fesseling to do on some of the tabs. I kept pushing it in, and the tabs just weren't connecting. They just kept pushing it out again. So I had to trim a few of those to actually make it fit properly. I also noticed there looks like a little bit of a rust blister behind the driver's side kidney as well, so have to keep an eye on that. And also where they fit, there's a slightly different, so you can actually see across the top where the original ones were, and there's been grit and dirt and stuff down there, and there's a few little marks. So I need to do a bit of correction on the paint, or just like take care of it, I guess. But thank you very much for coming along with me. Also managed to change the wiper blades and give it a damn good clean. So that's a win-win for the car, really. So if you are still watching, give us a hash brown still watching at the bottom. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. That would do me a huge favour. Got lots more coming up with this car. Going to start getting into some meaty stuff, and fortunately we're heading into winter, so that's going to be fun, isn't it? But awesome, thank you very much. I'm still not going to do the peace thing because everyone does that. Alright, cheers, bit.